Having established credit history and a good credit score is crucial to becoming financially independent. And so as parents, how do we teach our children education about finances and help them get financially independent? An easy way to do that is to add them as an authorized user on our credit card. And so what does that mean? An authorized user has spending abilities on the credit card, but we, as the primary cardholder, are still ultimately responsible for that debt. And so here's why that's important. I'm a mortgage lender. I was doing a pre-approval the other day for a fresh college graduate. She was 22 years old, looking to get pre-approved to buy her first home. I pulled her credit and it was low. It was in the 600s. And how could this be? She'd never made a late payment. She had no collection accounts. It's because she had just opened up a loan 6 months ago and only had 6 months of credit history. Prior to that, she had never had any credit history. And so adding her earlier, if you're a parent and you have a teenager, adding them as an authorized user can help start building that credit history. And so this is especially important for parents who have a strong history of paying credit card debt on time, have low utilization rate, meaning they don't have a $12,000 limit on the credit card and it's at $11,800 and we're just making minimum payments. That's not going to help. But if that's not you, then add your children as an authorized user. And there's certain age requirements. This is up to the individual card issuer. So some have it at 15, some have it at 16, some have it at 13, some have no limit. So be sure to check with your card issuer to see what the minimum age requirements for adding your children. Another hesitation by some parents would be, I don't know, that's a lot of risk to give my child full access to my credit card. Well, there's some precautions and some things you can put into place. One of them is to set custom spending limits. So you have the abilities to set, hey, I want this user to have a maximum spending limit of $200 a day or $200 a month or whatever it is that your card issuer will allow you to do. But this will help mitigate that risk if you have some hesitations about adding your 13-year-old to your credit card. This is extremely important as you get older and you want to become financially independent and you start taking on those larger purchases in life, like a house or a car or any type of personal debt, a business loan. If you don't have the credit history before this, it's going to be hard to qualify or your interest rate is going to suffer. The lower the credit score, the higher your interest rate is going to be. So we want to give you the best chance of coming out the gate once you're 22, 23, 24 years old, trying to buy your first home, that you already have established credit history. And a big way of doing that is being an authorized user on your parents' credit card when you're a teenager.